Hello and welcome back to smartphoneevolution.com. Today we just come here to officially unveil or make you discover the new Motorola Razr foldable device that Motorola just unveiled on in this week. This phone basically is one of the best or number one foldable device that we can say no defect, no any. Even we see some companies released foldable device like Samsung, but it wasn't really perfect. So with this phone is really amazing. I don't know how long it took for Motorola to do the test and make sure that's amazing. This one has a double screen that fold and really work perfectly. And let me just give you the specs of, about this device. I'm gonna give you the specs about the gig of RAM, the megapixel camera, the processor, the sound quality, Android version, and as well as many other information about this device. Okay, let's start from the operating system. This is a Android 9 PIE, so that's one of the newest version of the Android operating system. And the memory RAM, you won't believe me, it's a 6 GB of RAM, and the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core 2.2 GHz, includes fingerprint and 128 GB storage. The battery size is like 2510 megahertz, non-removable. Remember, this phone, you cannot remove the device. You cannot remove the phone, the battery from the device. The display is like a Flex View 6.2 OLED HD 2142 times 576p. The weight is like 205 gram. That's not really heavy. And remember, this is water resistant, super proof. Yeah, so the only color the phone comes with is a black color, and the camera is 16 megapixel camera on the main camera, and the front is 5 megapixel camera. So the audio, there is no FM. Remember, there is no FM on this phone. And the headphone jack is like type C, like most of the new smartphones in the market. The Bluetooth technology is the last version of the Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility. The connectivity LTE, UMTS, GSM, CDMA, like most of the new smartphones. NFC is enabled, GPS is enabled, and the electronic SIM card as well. We are going to talk about the little issue that the phone may have if you are not taking care of it as good as you're supposed to. Because remember, even without the foldable screen, like people usually the foldable device, like let's say the flip phones, the most of the problem that people have with is sometimes the flash card. Sometimes when it has issue that if you don't take care of it, or you open it and in the non-proper ways, you might damage the flask, and then you still gonna have a problem with the touch, but with the button. But remember, this phone is really more sensitive because it's a foldable screen. You know how this technology is. It's just new, and some companies tried without success. Like Samsung did release the Note, the foldable Note, but this was like one of the biggest mistakes that Samsung ever made. Yeah, they have a problem with the screen, but with this phone there is no defection yet for now. But what I'm advising you is you have to be very careful on how opening the screen. Yeah, because it's like a double screen, but when you unfold the device you just see it as one screen. Like, let's say you are playing a video on YouTube. When you unfold it, like when you unfold the device, you just see like one screen. You cannot if somebody seeing it from far away, he wouldn't say that's like a foldable device. He would just think that this is a normal touchscreen phone, but it's really not. It's really amazing. So the second thing is, remember the phone is type C. The type C charger is a type C. The charge is a type C, and the headphone is as well as type C. But it has a very beautiful headphones that you might love, and a great sound quality. So for now, that's what we have to tell you today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we are trying to do our best to bring you more reviews and more news about the mobile industry. Thank you very much for following Smartphone Evolution. You can follow us on Instagram as well, on instagram.com/smartphones evolution. Smartphone with S and evolution straight, no common or nothing, straight. Thank you very much and have a good day. You can check our website, is www.smartphoneevolution.com. Thank you.